Maybe we'll get married someday, but who knows? Something in the grave, but who knows? What's up, Nuggets? Shout out, Frank Ocean, brother. Shout out, my man. Shout out, little peep. Shout out, dudes. Everyone that's died. Crazy, man. They all died so quick. Anyway, it is currently the 10th of the ninth. Yesterday was the 10th of the 3rd. Yesterday was the ninth of the 3rd, and we decided to lose $330-ish on my funded account. That's almost about to be passed. But, hey, that's right. We live and learn. Basically, today's recap, just going to go through how I lost, why I lost, how we can't do it again, and basically just get mad at the charts. So running things off, I'll just go straight to daily bias. Brother, do you see this new week opening gap? It's gonna get filled. Obviously, it's gonna get filled. Every fucking new week opening gap that happens will always get filled, no matter what. Um, so I decided to disrespect that entirely and look for shorts. Hey, we can all be retarded at some point in our life, right? So basically, on the 4 hour, we were showing a bearish market, but because of this new week opening gap, I seriously didn't really like. I didn't really know how it would react to it after hitting it. So as you can see, on the 1 hour we were extremely bullish. On the 4 hour we were bearish. I was kind of just looking for a retracement up into this new week opening gap or even this high, which obviously has happened, and then go lower from there. But I don't know why I just decided to take that short. For me, it was kind of obvious at the start, but I'll kind of run through why I really took it and how everything kind of played out. So if I put here, this is where market opens. Yeah, okay. So market open here. First thing it did was sweep this liquidity, and also get into that new week opening gap. So I thought it might have been able to take that liquidity from there. Um, and as soon as we did take it, we sure, obviously break a structure. It was real nice. Break a structure down here as well. We created this little tiny fair value gap here. I was like, all right, cool. So if I look for a retracement, I might be able to aim for these lows, thinking that we're in a bearish market. So I got that retracement with this. Zoom in. I got that retracement into the fair value up here. It was a great retracement, and then ended up taking. And as soon as it broke structure down here, I decided to enter. And then obviously it got completely disrespected. Now, I kind of spent a little bit of time last night asking myself why. Um, so I did a bit of research on new week opening gaps, and that obviously has a major factor of it as well. Usually there is a lot of liquidity that lies in it. I just didn't read it and understand it correctly. Also, at the same time, I used the liquidity down here. So this is a 1 hour low. I'm pretty sure it's Asian session. Oh no, that's a London session low. So there's a lot of liquidity lying there, and I thought um, I was just so strongly driven by a bearish market on the 4 hour instead of really understanding the 1 hour too much. That I was pretty confident to say that we were going to go short. Obviously, it was wrong. Um, so I thought using this liquidity, we were able to retrace. I saw a good, like that imbalance was taken out, and I saw a good retrace off of it. But hey, what can you do? Because you can see it hit this liquidity first, came up, and then got the imbalance, and then continued down. So I thought, we were going to go short, but you live and you learn. We lost 300 and something dollars. We do have CPI on Wednesday, so we will be trading that. We'll be getting, depending on how I go tonight. If I hit a good trade, $700 trade, I'll be 3% through. So technically, sticking to my 50% consistency rule, I'll be able to pass both my fundeds on Wednesday, which will be sick. So I'll have $100,000 worth of capital to trade. But stick around for that. That's definitely going to be a banger video. I'm going to be so happy when I pass this funded. But then I have to pay the $150 activation fee. Madness and badness combination. But anyway, guys, that's how we lost 300 and something dollars. We live and we learn. I need to do more research about new week opening gaps, how they actually work, where the liquidity actually lies in it, whether it's down here, if it's in this middle, um, and kind of how to predict his daily bias a little bit better. Obviously, I was pretty bearish. I was really bearish, but hey, sometimes you're wrong. We live and we learn. But other than that, I really do appreciate you guys for tuning in again. Very short video today. Hope you like the new hairstyle. I don't know if you can peep it or not, but I'm trying to go like Brad Pitt type style from what's that movie, Fight Club. I think it looks mad. Anywho, you guys have a blessed rest of your day. I'm gonna go to the gym. I need to lose some of this weight, but yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.